How to cook easy nilagang manok. First, place chicken pieces in a pot with water. Cover and let it boil. When it boils, check for scum and remove it. Then we add some salt, onions, and some whole peppercorn. We cover and continue boiling for 30 minutes. After that, we can add in the carrots and the potatoes. Cover again, cook for a few minutes, and then we add pechay. And then we cover and cook for some more minutes. And then lastly, we add the cabbage. Cook for some more minutes, and then you're done. Thank you for watching.